everyone, this is Wen Guo from Wen Guo Real Estate Group. Today we're showcasing the stunning newly remodeled home in San Bruno, Huntington Park, really close to Millbrae. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a very beautiful backyard. 3 skylights allowing abundance of natural light and fresh air. Voluminous open floor plan connects living room and kitchen together. Everything has been remodeled to perfection with high-quality materials ready for you to move in. A must-see. Let's check it out. We don't normally get to have a grand luxury Mission Sightglass Front Door, nor a large Foyer Formal Entry in this area, and I haven't seen such a beautiful extra wide staircase like this for a while. 大門豪華，門廳方正，樓梯超寬，入口咁氣派，都幾少見㗎。Upstairs, we have a huge open floor plan for the living area and gourmet kitchen. Look at the brand new oak wood floor, electric fireplace and wood accents. That's what the modern lifestyle is about, isn't it? 樓上是寬敞的開放式客廳和廚房，全新木板，電子壁爐，好現代呢。Kitchen offers high-end stainless steel appliances, built-in gas range, wine cooler, customized wood cabinet, stylish quartz countertop, full backsplashes, trendy floor tile, and lighting. 廚房安裝了各類高端不鏽鋼電器，還有酒櫃呢。款式清新大方，廚房大，女主人地位高喎。Bedroom on the left has a large balcony overlooking the beautiful backyard. Both bedrooms connect to an extended 3rd bedroom that can be used as a nursery, office, or much more options. 这个起步上车盘一共有4个房间，估计其中一个房間會用作書房或者嬰兒房，這種房間連着臥室最方便啦。瞓房都有陽台，仲連埋書房，真係好用啊。Both bathrooms are gorgeously updated with imported European tiles, double sinks, LED lit mirrors, and beautiful skylight. I feel like I'm in a hotel myself. 全新洗手間，歐洲進口瓷磚，品味真不錯。洗手間都係歐洲貨，真係新靚正啊。Downstairs has an elegant bedroom and updated bathroom. If it's not used as a master bedroom, it'll be the most beautiful guest suite in the block. 樓下也有臥室洗手間，老人唔方便，住樓下啱啱好。Downstairs, other than the bedroom suite, there's also a large multi-function laundry office area with a second wine cooler. Together with the beautiful cabinets, butcher wood countertop, you can easily apply your imagination to make it an ADU or in-law unit here. 洗衣房又是書房，乾淨寬敞，好像也可以改成姻親公寓的廚房呢。樓下咁多空間，隨便改改就可以出租，增加收入添啊。The brand new outdoor deck area is one of my favorite places in this house. Kids can run around in the back while you're having outdoor dining on the deck. A little bit of gardening around, but not too much. Perfect for a modern lifestyle. 我的每个买家买了房子都要把後院鋪起來。這次這個房子已經幫你鋪好啦，後院連木板都鋪埋好晒，快啲拎包入住啦。The house is right at the border next to Millbrae, so it's always sunny and quiet. It's very close to Camino rail, so you can easily get access to food and shopping. Street is not too wide, so there's not too much traffic. Easy access to freeway, Caltrain, BART station, as well as park and schools. 這裡靠近 Millbrae 跟 Camino， 地段超方便，行街食飯方便得嚟，又不失寧靜。I hope you enjoyed this newly updated stunning home. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. 謝謝參觀。 有问题啊，請隨時跟我聯繫，我喺度等緊你㗎。